Let's do some DIY videos showing you how to build up handles on some utensils and tools around the house using Jointhera self-adhesive tape. Okay, that wasn't part of it, but that's just a bonus. So here's what we're going to do. Let's work on a toothbrush. So this has kind of got a little bit of a built-up handle, but what we do is there's some pipe insulation that we just got at the hardware store. It's got a split down the middle so that you can easily wrap it around. So just wrap it around like that. Carry off a piece of this Jointhera self-adhesive tape. There you go. Now you got it built up in case you have a maybe a loved one that has a weak grip or some arthritis. They have pain in their grip. You got a little built up, and now you can brush your teeth.